Hello guys, welcome to Trading Community India. It's me H here, back after a long time. Hope you all are fine. So today it's 17th March, Wednesday, and the market has been going to open. The time is around 9:07. So what I'm gonna to show you that to how to trade with 1,000 rupees, and let's check our funds. As you can see here, it's 1,130 rupees, and I'm going to trade with this money. Nifty is just showing only small positive. Let's see the chart here. Guys, the time is 9:14 now, and we are going for a quick trade so that the market has been opened and we are going for Industrial Bank. We are given 5 quantities on 1026. Let's see, will it be executed or not. Decent. Guys, the order has been executed and it's in green. Let's wait for our targets. I'm gonna to give an position at 3 quantities on 1031, and let's wait. Going near to our targets, 20 rupees. Let's wait. Guys, our order for the 3 quantities has been executed and the rest 2 quantities are remaining, and let's give a position for them to on 1034 30 34 34.5, more than enough. So our first trade has been completed and of a profit of 32 rupees. The time is around 9:19. Just 4 minutes only we have taken for the first trade. Guys, the second trade we are going to an arrow firma for 8 quantities, going for a short position. Fund is not enough, so 7 quantities on 848. Let's see will it executed or not. Guys, our arrow pharma of 8 quantities has been executed on a short position, and we are waiting for our targets. Arrow pharma. Let's check the charts. We can see 2 big green candles, and what we want to see there is the red one, not the green. So let's wait. Guys, now we have around 25 rupees profit in our Alabama, and so let's give a position for 4 quantities on a 5 rupees difference at 843. So it means that more than 0.7% profit of that stock price, and that's enough. Our order for 4 quantities has been executed at 843, and the rest 3 are remaining. So let's exit those 3 on 842 to itself 6 rupees, on a difference of 6 rupees here. Let's wait to be executed. Now 67 rupees overall profit is the. Let's modify the order and let's give 8.42.5, 842.5. Guys, the order has been executed and our first true trade was a success, and we have gained a 68.50 rupees profit. Now let's give a position on SRTF finance for 5 quantities on 1307 rupees by position, and let's wait for the order to be complete. The order has been completed, and now it's in negative. Let's wait. Sellers are more. The chart, guys, I have been given an order for 3 quantities on 1312 rupees, and that has been executed, and there are 2 quantities are remaining. So now let's exit those 2 also. We have already gained a 5 rupees profit. 80. More than 90 rupees. So let's exit 2 quantities at 1314. Now let's wait for our targets to hit, and that also been executed, and we have gained 97.50 rupees, and that's enough for the day. So that's it for today. Have gained more than 9% of our balance. So that's it. Now the time is 11:22, and it's me, it's signing off. Peace out. Thank you, guys.